What we hear time and time again is that the culture and the tightness of the community is what people are really excited for. We have too many students who are graduating and then spinning their wheels for a decade across the country. We're trying to address that by making sure we have alignment and we have purpose in what we're having our students exposed and prepared to do while they get ready for graduation. Giving students an opportunity to go explore careers or have people come in and talk about their careers are things that we're doing that we haven't done before. Well, with that partnership with NCTA, we have programs that we host. It's called a satellite. So we currently have 2 sessions of fire science, 1 session of allied health, and then a session of welding. The Skills Center is part of this bigger image of how do we help prepare our students, and we actually find ourselves one of the smaller districts in the county being at the intersection of workforce, economic development, and K-12. When we say we want to prepare our kids, we're giving them avenues and paths to do that. But we're also looking at the community and seeing what is it that we need. Whatcom County is a child care desert. We are in dire need of support for our youngest learners. The classroom for the Skills Center's Early Childhood Ed is the link to the Skills Center, but in visualizing the Skills Center, I don't think we thought about being able to be part of the solution for early learning and child care in Whatcom County, and that's what this has become. What we decided to do was actually build an early learning center that could run extended hours and families could drop their children off and then they could go to work, because we have a lot of women in our county who are not working because they can't find adequate child care that's affordable. 2 infant, 2 toddler, and 2 preschool, as well as an adult classroom where we can do adult classes for people maybe wanting to train and get licensed, and then students for the Skills Center who are enrolled in the Early Childhood Ed will actually have their practical experience with their classroom in the same building. We really thought there would be more time spent on this is what a Skills Center is for and how it works, and it was not really much of a focus of conversation. Yeah, we got that. How do we help? How do we get it going? When can we get it started? And so just the willingness and the eagerness of people, and I would also count the Whatcom Community Foundation in that very early on. How can we help and what do you need? And so that's been repeated time and again, and there's a ton of gratitude for the community for how they've come forward to say this is something that would be valuable, and we're excited to see it happen.